How to enable voice dictation on iPhone. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump right into the video. The first thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside settings, head over to General. Scroll down, and in here, you will find the option where it says Keyboard. It will land you on this page. In here, once again scroll down, and in the section of Dictation, you'll find the option where it says Enable Dictation. Well, if this option is turned off, it means that the voice dictation is turned off. In order to enable, all you want to do is toggle on this button and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can enable voice dictation on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.